In this tutorial, you'll learn step-by-step how to add your BridgeKey Wallet to the MST Portal. First, copy your wallet address from here and make sure it's accurate. Go to the Discover section and search for MST Blockchain Portal to get started. Next, click on Login to access your MST Blockchain Portal. Enter your mobile number, password, and CAPTCHA, then log in. Next, tap on the 3 lines in the upper corner, then select your profile, then scroll down to Wallet Address, and click on Edit button. Now paste the wallet address that you copied in the first step. Then enter the Send OTP button. You'll receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP and click Submit. Your wallet is now active and linked to your account. Once verified, you can view all your added wallets inside the MST portal. Go to the Withdraw section to check your multiple wallets. This is the complete step-by-step guide on how to add your BridgeKey Wallet address to the MST portal and view all your linked wallets in one place.